Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we share with you how to make a version of American Girl's retired holiday sleigh. Take your dolls on a magical ride with this sleek black and red sleigh. If you enjoy our crafts, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, since this is a bigger craft, let's get making! From cardboard, we began by making a template for the body of the sleigh. Place your doll in a sitting position to guide you as you draw this panel. To me, the shape looks like a swan with a short neck. Our dimensions ended up at 40 centimeters for the base length, a back height of 38 centimeters, body width of 28 centimeters, and front height of 24 centimeters. Cut out your template, then trace it onto 5mm foam board twice to get the left and right side pieces. From more foam board, cut the sleigh bottom, front wall, and back wall. Now paint your side panels and bottom piece black. Next, add the design details to your side walls. Referencing an AG stock image, you can draw the pattern directly onto the foam board using a white Posca pen. But we opted to give our panels more dimension by making the trim from recycled paperboard. Trace your template again, then reduce the perimeter of the sleigh body by 1 centimeter. Trim away the top quarter of your paperboard, giving you 2 pieces. Now cut thinner frames from each segment. Paint the frames white, then glue to the corresponding side panel, along with any additional paperboard details. The sleigh's front and back wall follow an S shape. To achieve these curves, we will need to make multiple partial cuts into our foam board. This is best done with a sharp X-Acto knife. Where the neck of the wall rolls forward, simply flip over the foam board and make more horizontal slits, allowing it to bend in the opposite direction. Check your foam board matches the curves by dry fitting it to your side panel. When you are satisfied, adhere permanently with liquid glue or hot glue. Next, attach the bottom of the sleigh. Now we will cover our front and back walls with black cardstock. Generously coat the paper with liquid glue, then drape it over the foam board, pressing firmly to adhere to the rounded walls. It helps to secure the edges with clothes pegs to stop the paper curling back. Switching to the carriage seat. From foam board or cardboard, cut and glue in 2 support pieces, then add the seat base. Cut 2 trapezoid shapes to support the backrest piece, gluing them directly to the left and right side panels. The backrest and cushion piece will be covered with red felt or fabric. We needed 3 A4 size sheets of felt for this step. To mimic the diamond quilting seen in AG's version, we stitched diagonal lines onto our felt in a crisscross pattern. Where the lines intersect, we get a diamond shape. Cover the front of your foam board with the stitched felt and hot glue the excess to the back side. Hot glue the covered backrest to the seat base and trapezium supports first. Then attach the cushion piece, checking that your diamond pattern matches up. Close the gap at the top of the seat with a strip of foam board painted black. Next, we need the sleigh rails. Cut more foam board rectangles and draw a line 1 centimeter from the top. Position the foam board at the corner of the side panel to trace the slope. Below your pencil line, mark the rail slats and a curve. Cut out and paint silver. Glue a rail to the top edge of each side panel. We will make the sleigh's runners from these plastic coat hangers. Cut apart at the side to get a pointed tip with a long straight section. Place at the front of the sleigh. Take the hook section and invert it to mimic a decorative curl, along with adding support under the front of the sleigh. Cut the corner ends off more hangers for a J piece. The first will help strengthen the joint where the front and back straight lengths of the runner meet, and the second will help support the weight at the back of the sleigh. Take the part used for holding sleeves and cut the hanger on an angle for H pieces. Place them against the J pieces, forming a triangle that will add more strength to this area. Hot glue all the sections together, being very generous at the joins. Repeat for a second runner. Then join the two sides with strips of foam board as seen on screen. Now we can paint the runners red. Once dry, you can glue the body of the sleigh to the foam board support strips. Fantastic! Just a few more elements left to make. Under the lip of the front wall is a rail. We reused the paper tube from our DIY hotel and day spa curtain rail, then painted it silver and hot glued into place. For more festive decoration, we tied red tartan ribbon into double bows, then added sprigs from a fake plant to the back using drops of hot glue. Now cut your ribbon tails on an angle. In the centre, we added clusters of red berries from a styrofoam plant pack. Here we used red-tipped sewing pins, pushing them through the knot in the bow and into the exposed foam at the front edge of the sleigh rail. Similar to the American Girl version, we are going to use a piece of faux white fur for a carriage blanket. And with that, our DIY holiday sleigh is complete. Thanks so much for joining us today. We hope you have fun making your dolls a custom sleigh perfect for the winter festive season. See you soon for more miniature Christmas crafting fun.